Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We've got this 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro in today, same as the Renault Trafic. This one's got the check injection system on the dash and the little orange engine light as well. Start it up, it's flashing anti-pollution system fault as well. We've plugged it in and we've got fault code DF005 air temperature circuit. That will relate to a proper P code, which we'll put in the description below. But we'll have a look into that now and let you know what we come up with. Just before we get into the video, if you haven't already clicked the red subscribe button below, if you just click on that to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. So we've got the job fixed on this one now. It can sometimes be read through the airflow meter, but they actually have a separate sensor just in this pipe down here. It is actually quite a common issue that we've fitted a few of before. You can only get them from the dealer at the minute, about 67 quid plus the VAT I think it was, but it's a really easy bit to replace. You've just got the Phillips screw there, just got to pop the connector off and pull it out. The coolant bottle's just in the way, but you can just pull the little tab across and slide that out of the way, so it's really easy to replace. But a lot of people make the mistake of trying an airflow meter for the same fault, so just thought I'd share the video with you all. Really just a quick tip, it's worth just having a check of that. And it does sometimes throw up some codes that stop you doing the DPF regen as well. It's done like the temperature and won't let you regen it. So, but hope the video helped. If you check the description below, I put some links to the part number and where you can get one from. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.